Should I live or not? That is the big question. Everything that looks good is not always good. Some people are born great. Some work hard to become great. And some get greatness by chance. Real love is never easy. Love doesn't see with eyes. It feels with the heart. Weak people feel afraid again and again, but brave people only face fear once. Things are not good or bad. It's how we think about them. Being short and simple is the smartest way to speak. You cannot change what is already done. Expecting too much is what breaks the heart. My name is Shabir M. Goodbye.